With a considerable improvement in COVID situation in the recent weeks and the rate of vaccination among teachers, staffs and students of the state, the government of Manipur has decided to allow reopening of all the classes in all the educational institutions, including residential schools, hostels, boarding schools and coaching institutes, and also institutions under different ministries of Government of India operating in the state with effect from 10th of March until further orders. The reopening of all educational institutes, including residential schools, hostels, boarding schools and coaching institutes, and also institutions under different ministries of Government of India shall be subject to observance of such SOP or guidelines issued by Health Department in this regard, and following standard operating procedure SOP to be observed for safety of students, teachers and all stakeholders. Press note issued by Commissioner of Education S, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Manipur, M. Hare Krishna, reiterated that teachers, students and guardians should adhere to COVID-appropriate behaviors and all government instructions or relevant SOPs as issued by government from time to time. Further, all educational institutes, including residential schools, hostels, boarding schools and coaching institutes, and also institutions under different ministries of Government of India should display prominently the number of vaccinated and unvaccinated teachers and staffs.